The president arrives back at the White House. He walks from Marine One and up the stairs to the balcony of the residence. Then he stops and removes his mask. A salute and ahead an unspecified number of days in quarantine. Doctors say he'll be working from this residence and will not at this stage return to the West Wing, where the staff workspaces are located. Shortly after arriving at his residence, he posted this video.
And now I'm better, and maybe I'm immune, I don't know. But don't let it dominate your lives. Get out there, be careful.
The President's Day began with a torrent of tweets on a variety of subjects, with most urging his supporters to vote, and Election Day now a matter of weeks away. And doctors would not speculate about when or whether the President will return to an in-person as opposed to virtual campaign, warning that he's still in recovery.
Though he may not entirely be out of the woods yet, the team and I agree that all our evaluations, and most importantly, his clinical status, support the President's safe return home, where he'll be surrounded by world-class medical care 24/7.
There were inevitable questions about whether the President's sudden decision to drive by supporters outside the hospital Sunday evening put his Secret Service agents at risk.
The President has been surrounded by medical and security staff for days wearing full PPE. And yesterday, the U.S. Secret Service agents were in that same level of PPE for a very short period of time. We've worked with our infectious disease experts to make some recommendations for how to keep everything safe down at the White House for the President and those around him.
The President's press secretary, Kayleigh McEnany, is the latest White House staffer to test positive for COVID-19. Two of her assistants and a number of journalists joining the increasingly lengthy list of those working at the White House who've been infected. While attention has been focused on the President, much of the country is still in the grip of a pandemic. In 34 states, the 7-day average of infection is higher now than it was a month ago. In the past 24 hours alone, more than 40,000 new cases have been recorded. A few miles away from the White House, these chairs represent those who have died. A poignant reminder that for more than 210,000 Americans, the outcome was different. Mike Hanna, Al Jazeera.